Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video tutorial. In this video I'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on drawing realistic hands and cloth with charcoal pencils. This is our last video of our Rajasthani Old Man drawing series. If you didn't watch the first and second video of our series, then I recommend you sure to. We'll find the links on the I button and the description below. Okay then, here we go. First of all, I'm shading the hand with hard woodless charcoal. Blending it with a dry brush now. Here I am using a cotton cloth to blend. Now shading the darker areas with a soft charcoal pencil. If you watched my earlier videos on YouTube, then you will notice that the first basic methods are the same. So make sure to watch all the parts of this drawing. And then we'll shade the areas of the curve with a medium charcoal pencil. Again blend it using a dry brush. Finally, using a Tombow Mono Zero eraser to highlight some curves of the hand. Also, some white charcoal to make some highlights. For making the clothes, first I'm shading the darker areas. Now blending it using a dry brush and then with a cotton cloth. Now shading the cloth using white charcoal. For the background, I am using charcoal powder. With soft charcoal, I am making random dots on the cloth. Now I am blending the dots with a dry brush. Making highlights with an electric eraser now. And finally highlighting the brighter areas with white charcoal. And thus, as you can see, our drawing is complete. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want more tutorials like that, then comment about it. Okay, that's it for now, and I'll see you in our next tutorial video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.